According to TripAdvisor, I have one of the best pizzerias in the country right down the street from me. But I still order from Domino's more than anywhere else. Why? Does Domino's have the best pizza? Debatable, but probably not. So how did they end up as Pizza Today's #1 pizza company of 2018? To answer that question, we first have to answer another. Is Domino's even a pizza company at all? It all started in 2014, when Domino's Pizza rebranded as a tech company. This turned into one of the most successful moves the company has ever made, contributing to a record 28 consecutive quarters of positive sales growth. But what exactly makes Domino's a tech company? Well, the number of ways you can order alone is pretty impressive. Just to name a few, you can place an order via Google Home, Alexa, Slack, text, Twitter, smart TV, and even your watch. You can interact with Domino's Facebook Messenger bot to fill out an order, or even order with your car if you have your profile built out via the Domino's app. And who knows, depending on where you live, you might even get your pizza delivered by a self-driving car. But what inspired this stroke of genius from Domino's? Well, they saw a large volume of orders coming in through online channels, and they saw an opportunity. Hello? All right, I'll be right there, thanks. More broadly, they recognized that no matter what you sell, to survive in the modern economy, you have to meet your customers where they are. If that means rebranding as a tech company, so be it. The best pizza in the United States might be just a few blocks away, but they won't deliver at 3 a.m., and I definitely can't order with an emoji. To prove the point, Domino's might not make the best pizza in the world, but there's no pizza on earth that'll get to your door quicker or easier, no matter how it gets delivered.